Here's how to change currency in WooCommerce based on customer country. There's actually a free way to do this that works really well. Just search for WBW Currency Switcher for WooCommerce in your WordPress plugins and install the free version from Nick McReynolds. Once you activate it, you'll see a new WO currency option in your admin sidebar. Click it. You'll want to start with the Currencies tab to add whatever currencies you need. There's an Add Currency button that opens up a drop-down with all the major currencies. So you can add euros for Europe, pounds for the UK, Canadian dollars for Canada, whatever makes sense for where your customers are. The cool thing is, each currency needs current exchange rates to work properly, and the plugin handles this automatically. There's a Get Rate button next to each one that pulls live rates from places like Crypto Compare and Free Converter. You can also set your own rates manually if you need specific pricing. Now here's the thing, automatic detection where it shows the right currency based on someone's location is only in the paid version, but honestly, the manual switcher works fine and customers can easily change it themselves. The front-end switcher tab is where you set up how customers actually see this. You'll enable the switcher first, then choose floating as the type, so it sits on the side of your site. Setting it to on-click means people won't accidentally change currencies while browsing around. You can put this floating switcher on the left or right side, whatever looks better with your site design. The Display Rules tab controls where this shows up. Setting it to display everywhere means it's available on all your pages, but you can also limit it to specific pages or product categories if that makes more sense for how you run things. After you save everything, the switcher starts working right away. International customers can pick their currency from the floating menu. And yeah, it's one extra click compared to automatic detection, but it gets the job done. The plugin does all the math automatically using those live exchange rates you set up.